Sarkaru Vari Pata Telugu movie summary in English. Mahesh Mahi is a finance agent who has set up his own loan agency named Mahi Finance Corporation in Miami, Florida. He turns his debtors' life into hell when they fail to repay their debts. Meanwhile, Mahi meets Kalavthi, who requests Mahi to loan her US Okatasunake and later US Rendoidake for her graduate studies. Mahi lends the loan and soon falls in love with Kalavthi. However, Mahi finds out that Kalavthi is a gambling addict and had tricked Mahi into asking for the loan. When confronted to repay the loan, she threatens Mahi by using the influence of her father, Rajendranath, a powerful MP, Rajya Sabha member and industrialist based in Visakhapatnam, who runs an industrial company, Rajendranath Associates. Mahi travels to Vizag to retrieve the money, which earns Rajendranath's wrath. Rajendranath gives him warning that he will not pay the loan, and after unsuccessful murder attempt on Mahi, Rajendranath calls Mahi to his office and tells that he will repay the amount, but with condition that Mahi should say that he was a scammer targeting rich families. Mahi agrees, but instead, he grabs the attention of the media about the loan repayment and reveals that Rajendranath owes him 10,000 రూపాయలు crore, $1.2 billion, much to everyone's astonishment. Rajendranath confronts Mahi where he reveals his agenda. Before arriving in Vizag, Mahi learns from a senior state bank official Rajkumari that Rajendranath had swindled the state bank for 10,000 రూపాయలు crore, $1.2 billion, and had sealed down the bank for illegal laundering before she is arrested by the police. Mahi decided to recover the amount and also expose the fault lines that run deep within the Indian banking system. Mahi manages to serve a bank notice to Rajendranath, who is ordered to repay the debt. Kalavthi finds out about Mahi's misdeeds, and with her uncle, Rajendranath's brother-in-law, plans to make Mahi withdraw the case, but to no avail. Rajendranath, with his political connections, manages to issue a stay order for the bank notice from the Supreme Court. Kalavthi realizes her father's true colors and extends her support to Mahi, renewing their relationship. Mahi, along with the people of his area, decide to protest using the slogan "Boycott Banks" against Rajendranath and the other banks involved in financial fraud with millionaires. Rajendranath is warned by the finance minister that he will be dismissed from the ministerial post and Rajya Sabha. Rajendranath kidnaps Mahi with the help of the Vizag SCP Ajay Kumar and orders Ajay to finish him off. The next day, the bank officials find the 1 rupee, 2 cents US seal in every bank lock. The henchmen inform Rajendranath, who tells his henchmen to attack the bank. It is revealed that the cops had helped Mahi escape from the encounter after they learned that he was doing the right thing. Mahi reaches the bank and defeats Rajendranath's henchmen. Rajendranath arrives at the bank, where the mob attacks Rajendranath, but Mahi saves him and makes Rajendranath realize the seriousness of his misdeeds. He apologizes to everyone and repays the 10,000 రూపాయలు crore, $1.2 billion, loan. The state bank regains its reputation and Rajakumari is released from custody. Rajakumari thanks Mahi and asks him about his origins. Mahi reveals that his parents took a loan of 15,000 rupees, $170, from the same bank 15 years ago and were unable to repay it on time, due to which they committed suicide. Mahi had forgiven the bank as they did their duty for collecting the loan, and that the people must be blamed for not paying the amount in time. Mahi tells that the government has changed and that Sarkaru Vari Pata must be made to the public sector and everyone.